Official ways to make money online if you want to start an online business today for a freedom lifestyle, okay? If that sounds of interest to you, because I'm going to be talking to you about Fiverr. So if you are skilled in a particular area, then carry on and I will see you after this. Hi, this is Jen Edwards Robinson from Burnout to Breakthrough.com, and I help create your freedom lifestyle business so you can get your life back. Okay, before we get started, I just want to let you know a fact, okay, because I love my facts when it comes to online. I'm going to list 1, 2 and 3. Oh, that looks more like a 3 than a 2. What is ranked, okay, as the most popular website? So I'm going to give you 3. It's going to be Facebook, YouTube and Google. What do you think is number 1? And write the comments in that comments box. Write your answers there. Got it? Okay, so we'll start from number 3 down to 1. Number 3 is Facebook. Number 2 is, what do you reckon? YouTube. And yes, of course, Google is first. If we really thought about it, we probably would have guessed that. But look how amazing it is, eh? I mean, these websites weren't even in our lives. Well, I've been living on Facebook, not Facebook. When did I join Facebook? I think it was about, I was still in London at the time, 2008. 11 years. Have I been on Facebook 11 years? I know with YouTube, I really lived on YouTube, and I still live on YouTube. Obviously, we're watching this video on YouTube, but yeah, back in Shanghai when I lived out there in China, I think I started YouTube about 8 years ago. But yeah, no, these websites are just part of our lives, aren't they? And that is my point about online business. We are all living online, so it's a great place to do business. It's a great place for opportunities. Great place because we all hang out there as well. So anyway, I thought I'd wow you with that fact. If you're new to this channel, this is from Burnout to Breakthrough. Thank you for coming. Hit that like button, feel free to subscribe, and also if you hit that notification bell button, I'm dedicated to making videos every day for you so you can know what it takes to set up an online business from scratch, and so you can get your life back. Now, I'm going to talk to you today about another way of building an online business, what you can or how you can make money online. It's if you're skilled in something particular. So, for example, you are a web designer, or you are you're a good editor, you love writing, you're a writer, that sort of thing. If you are great at jobs that people love to delegate out, like article writing, or blogging, or flyering, I'm talking about freelancing anyway, so this is like a potential business model for you to explore, for you to become a freelancer. And I want to talk to you about the platform called Fiverr. Now, there are many more platforms, but I'll talk about Fiverr in this video just because I've used Fiverr. So if you have a particular skill, this is where you can get paid for your services or your skills, and it will be like seen as active income. So you would get paid only for the jobs that you do. So maybe it might be like, per hour, or you might get paid like per job. So let's say someone goes on the platform Fiverr and they want a flyer done, and you're very nifty and savvy with Photoshop. This is when you can offer your services by creating a profile on Fiverr, and people would then approach you, and you would then negotiate a particular amount, and you would then do that particular work for that person. So it's amazing, really. You don't need to be interviewed by a boss or anything. The only thing I would suggest, and these are just like 3 main points I'm going to talk to you about today. The only thing I would suggest is that you have a fantastic profile, so then people know that it will be worth contacting you. So you could put your credentials down there, your skill sets, your experience, anything that you might think would benefit or help other people find you easier, quicker, or more likely to, you know, work with you. So I mentioned briefly earlier, but quickly here as well, if you're good, so I'm going to write down actually the things that people would delegate out, people that, you know, would pay for to get done because they don't have the time or they don't have the skills or the energy to do in their business. So article writing, you know, people would love to have someone else write their articles in their blogs. So therefore you could be a great writer, and this could be a great online business model for you to explore, because you could then, you know, create a profile and announce what a great writer you are. These are the examples of the written articles you've done in your time. I mean, if you were to build great rapport with someone and you were to do an excellent job with their articles or blogs that a particular business owner wants writing, then you've got a sure way of finding amazing clients and keeping them that way, because you've obviously established that connection and relationship. So article writing could be one. It could be that, you know, people might want flyers designed, so you could be an amazing designer. You know, you could be a wizard on Photoshop, or what else can people buy on things like Fiverr? What have I bought before? You could be good at video editing. Now that's not everyone's favourite cup of tea, but you might absolutely love editing videos, because obviously you've got to think that's quite a time consuming part of anyone's business, editing videos, and especially if a business owner doesn't particularly like editing videos. But if you do, then great. You go onto Fiverr, create your awesome profile, and they will find you, and then you can edit all their videos. But you know, you see where I'm going with this. Freelancing online is definitely a very strong business model for you to explore if you have a particular skill in a particular area. So it is Fiverr.com, I believe. I'm pretty sure it is. So just have a look on there. There are other platforms out there, but Fiverr for me, I'm just using that because I've used them before. And yeah, you can do this alongside your already existing career or offline business. And if you really do enjoy that, and you've built a lot of momentum and a lot of clients from it, then maybe this is something you could do on a full-time basis. But that gives you an idea anyway. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, just give me a shout. You can catch me here on YouTube or Facebook, or feel free to email me, Jen, from burnout2breakthrough.com. Alright, bye! Many thanks Breakthrough for hanging out with me online, and remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification button, as I'm dedicated in creating daily videos for you to learn how to build a freedom lifestyle business from scratch. Also, feel free to hang out with me and other breakthroughs in my closed Facebook group called the Breakthroughs Hangout. The link is in the description box below. Here's to your online business success.